Scream if you want to go faster!
Today we are at the OC Fair. It is opening weekend and we're going to take a look at some of the scariest, most craziest rides at the fair this year. Now there are over 50 rides total between kiddie rides and scary rides and family rides. But today let's look at the craziest. We are on my absolute favorite ride at any of the fairs, the Sky Ride. It is 6 tickets, $1.25 a ticket. There is no way. Comment below, would you ride this? 2 of the new rides this year. This is one, the Joker 360. This is wild. It actually holds you upside down at the top as it swings for like several seconds. It's really freaky. I wasn't gonna go on, but now they're playing Darude Sandstorm. Maybe. Will that get me to go on? So Moonraker here was at the Ventura County Fair, but was not at the LA County Fair last year or this year that I know of. I don't remember seeing it, but wait till you see what this does. Yeah, no. This is the other new ride this year, the Raptor coaster, and look at the sea. It actually looks really cool.
Scream if you want to go faster!
This is La Grande XL. Goes up to 130 feet. The Wild River. It's kind of, you know, if you can't do Splash Mountain anymore, this is the next best thing. That was the actual speed of that we just showed you too. It's not sped up for the video. It's insane. I had a very bad experience on one of these at a little theme park on Long Island as a kid. Nope. That is it here from opening weekend of the OC Fair. It runs through August 13th, Wednesdays through Sundays at the OC Fairgrounds and Event Center. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media for additional content. And check us out on Shorts and now Threads as well. so much to see and do here at the fair. You can't just do it in one day, so make multiple visits. Make sure you check out all the exhibits, check out all the shopping opportunities, try all the food, see the live entertainment, and try some of those crazy rides too.